Hey, how's it going? Back with another unboxing. This is the DM18 RL battery adapter. It allows you to use your Milwaukee M18 batteries with the Ryobi 18 volt 1 plus cordless system. It's really robust. It's well made. I've been using it for a few days and pretty happy with it. It has a charging port that allows you to charge a USB device. I used it to charge my Akaso action camera and my cell phone, Android phone. But as long as it's got a USB port, it's a great power pack. I bought it because there are some tools that Milwaukee doesn't make. It fits your M18 batteries. It's a really snug fit. The batteries aren't going to fall out. It's well made. But I had a need for a cordless glue gun. Milwaukee doesn't make it. I didn't want to get into a whole nother battery system. So I saw this Ryobi glue gun on sale and found that battery adapter on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below in case you're interested. But it works really well. I also bought a 10-inch cordless buffer that Ryobi makes and Milwaukee doesn't. So pretty happy with it so far. I'll keep you posted. Anyway, thanks for watching.